Welcome, students. Let's learn a little bit about Animation Player. First, we will include one Animation Player node. Just click on Add Node and write Animation Player in a search box. Select here in a Matches Animation Player, or if you used it before, use a recent micro window. Click on Create once. Now we have Animation Player, and for Animation Player we need one sprite. In our situation, sprite have texture, but this is a single texture not suitable for animation. So in your resource folder you can find other animation. No animation. In your resource folder you will find texture for animation. And we will use this file here. This texture have lots of little images, as you see here, in a different pose. We can use some of this in a different ways, but first we need to create initial frame. When we create initial frame, then we will start with animation. For initial frame we will use this animation: vertical frames, horizontal frames. Vertical frames 2, vertical frames 3, 4. Horizontal frames, let me put it 4 to see is it okay. Horizontal frames 4. Now we have one single image of all of them. After that, just click once on Animation Player and we will start creating. Here, this is your animation tools. We will select New, means new animation. Animation name can be something like character animation movement, and we get some tracks in animation for this. And now, how to create animation? Maybe you can't believe, but it is very easy for beginner. Click on your sprite and then look in this property frame under the animation. This is our 0 frame here visible. If we increase it, we will see other frames, 1 or maybe 2. If we click here on this property, we will get something like this: create new track for property frame and insert key. Create. After that, we only need to change frames which are suitable. This is okay. And click once here. Again we find suitable frame. Click again on this key. As you see here, animation are adding. Frames for animation are adding. This one is also suitable. And we can click it here. Our animation now have few characters and will look something like this. So play selected animation from current position. You see something's here happen. So we have some kind of movement. Very fast, but movement. If you want some change, we will explain it in the next video. But for now, we have animated character for a movement. When this sprite is on some kind position, for example here, if we start the game, nothing spectacular will happen. So we will see our character here. But we can code in our GD script how to use and when to use animation. For now, our character is simply like this and can move in these fields. Thank you for watching. See you next.